Hello, my name is Ashley. Today I'm going to show you how to make Kahlua. So what we need, 1/4 cup of whiskey. We need 1/4 cup of condensed milk, which is, this is the one, everybody knows it. We have to put in, there you go. And we need 1 teaspoon cacao. And we need some crushed ice. There you go. Now we're going to blend them together. All right. We're going to blend all together now. I'm just mixing a few times, so because I want the condensed milk to mix together and not to stay at the bottom. And let me see. I think this will be pretty good. We'll drink with a little one. When we have the guest, this is what we offer, and this is how we offer them. You can put on a big cup with another more ice. Let me see if it's good. Cheers to you. That is very, very delicious taste. Well, I hope you'll try it. This is only for adults. I hope you'll try it and you'll enjoy it. Please subscribe my channel if you like it. Thank you very much. Be responsible while you drink. Bye-bye.